Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Etsy for your handmade products. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, go to the Etsy website. If you do not have an account, click on the sign in link at the top right. Select register to create a new account. Fill in your email address, first name, and password. Click on register again to complete the account setup. Now, return to the home page and click on sell on Etsy. Next, click on Open your Etsy shop. Choose your shop, click Save and continue to move to the next step. Decide on a shop name that reflects your brand. Etsy will notify you if the name is available or taken. Once you find an available name, click Save and continue. Now it's time to add your first product. Click on Add a listing. Upload high-quality images of your handmade product. Fill in the title, description, and relevant tags for your item. Specify the price and quantity available for sale. Select the appropriate shipping options for your product. Once everything is filled out, click Save and continue. Review your listing to ensure all details are accurate. When ready, click Publish to make your listing live. Next, set up your payment preferences by choosing how you want to receive payments. Provide any necessary tax information based on your location. Now, move on to the billing section to set up how you will pay Etsy fees. Enter your credit or debit card information. Review all your choices and click Save. Finally, explore additional features like promotions and analytics to optimize your shop. Congratulations, your Etsy shop is now activated for your handmade products. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.